Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you had a good week. This coffee is hot. Today, we're going to look at Charizard EX Special Collection. Get some of the dirt off of it. Featuring a, doesn't show up too well in the video, a Lenticular Action Jumbo Charizard card. Now, I am a sucker for Lenticular Action cards. I have a whole bunch of baseball cards like that, from way back in the 90s. And even a lot of the ones that Denny's used to get with the Denny's meals back in the 90s. So I ate a fair amount of that in college. Don't really care much for Denny's anymore. Tastes have grown. Give me First Watch or Wawa anytime. But I digress. Anyway, let's get to this deck. Charizard EX brings the darkness. Burns up the opposition's lead. The cunning value power of a darkness-type Pokemon. Evolving Charmander, Charmeleon. His strong ability and attack to make a roaring comeback. Fiery Set also comes with 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs, an oversized Lenticular card. Which, as far as I can tell, is a first for Pokemon TCG, and I like it. Flame Pokemon itself. Move the card back and forth to see if I'm going to go in the attack. Okay, includes 1 etched foil promo card featuring Charizard EX, 2 foil cards featuring Charmander and Charmeleon, 5 booster packs, an oversized Lenticular card, and the obligatory code card. Open this off screen to... Good coffee. Anyway. Ugh. Ugh. Boom chicka pow, boom chicka pow pow pow. Okay. I mean, here's the promo cards. We have Charmander from the Paldean Fate set. And also the one from the, also the Charmeleon from the same set. Probably. And then Charizard EX. So yeah, it has a special foil treatment. Yep. Yeah, I mean, you probably know, if you've played the game for a while, you probably know this guy for a while. Ability enables you to search for fire energy when you evolve it. And put it attached to your Pokemon. The cheap 2 fire energies. Deals base of 180, and only gets stronger over time. You can realize why this sees a lot of play. I mean, in just about everywhere from, never just about every, no, but almost entirely up to the highest levels of play. But this is especially well in the kitchen table and at League. Nothing wrong with that. And here, it's a closer look at the Lenticular Action Charizard card. If you turn it from side to side, it does it looks the best. And we have 5 booster packs. We got 2 Journey Together, 2 Surging Sparks, and 1 Paradox Rift. Let's open this up. See if we get anything really good. Starting with the Journey Together packs. Ugh. Let's see. Okay, this got Alolan Geodude, got Audino, Lily's Comfey, Sentret, Brock Scouting, Verizon Wireless, Hops Choice Band, Minchino, Foil Toad School, and Hops Double, and a basic Psychic Energy. Pack number 2. You get Kamala, Coughing, Shuppet, Hops Corvisquire, Hops Cormorant, Aractus, Chinchino, Foil Shuppet, Low Kicks, and Wailord. And a basic Water Energy. Paradox Rift Pack. Got Coco, Snorant, Honedge, Horsey, Earthworm, Suro Scenario, good supporter, Mean Shao, Foil Knackstack, Cursed Duster, and Golisopod, and a regular Soul Steel Energy. Surgic Sparks pack number 1. Got Scatterbug, Bouffalant, Feebass and Butthead, Crocalorp, Simeon, Calderberry, Lorraine, Foil Fluttermane, Primeape, and Baby Chinpow, and a Psychic Energy. Last, the Surgic Sparks packs. You have Togepi, Helioptile, Charcadet, Alolan Diglett, Lucian, Cerealedge, Chill Teaser Toy, Foil Field, Sizzlepede, and Gastrodon, and a Grass Energy. Anyways, that's about it for this, for a very unique Charizard EX collection. If you liked what you saw, and you like what you're seeing now, you know what to do. And I will see you next time. Peace. Just because this is so cool, I'll give you a little more of this.